putting a whole heap of frames in. We're also putting a lot of frameless toughened glass, heat strengthened glass, just up there. So putting double doors in here, glass there, double doors on that side as well, and glass. And then up the top here, it's all glass. This one here is going to be a glass louver. And right up the top is the aluminium louver. Frameless roof, patch fittings. Right up the top, fixed aluminium louver. Glass louvers in there, fixed glass there, double doors. This is the chapel. Stay tuned, this project's almost completed.